Hey, Flurbert. Sonne here. A lot of things are like standard in like computer stuff. Like Ctrl Shift S is save as. But not in Unreal Engine. It's Alt Shift S, and that hurts me. That hurts my feelings. How do you change it? Go to Editor Preferences and search for Save As. Save level. Shish. Okay, save level. Say S. It's really hard to type. So Control Shift S. That's the industry standard for saving as, and you can also say save as for like everything else. And that's really convenient because let me show you like in a cube. When I got this cube, I want to save it under a new name. I can just do that. Just Ctrl Shift S and it will save as, just like everything else. This Flurbert out. Bye.